Welcome to Sophos Rebates. If you are attempting to access your rebates from the partner portal and are having trouble, please make sure you are navigating directly to sophos.perksplus.com. There you will be prompted to enter your username, which is your email address, and password. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password, and a reset email will be sent directly to you. If you do not have access to the rebate portal, email rebates@sophos.com. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home screen. Make sure you have rebates selected. The views that you see on your screen will vary depending on a variety of factors, including partner type and persona. Personas matter for non-India Rupee resellers. The two personas that are available are a rebate participant and a rebate partner administrator. A rebate participant is able to see all the rebate information, whereas a rebate partner administrator is able to see all the rebate information and also manage the funds. The Extreme Wallet Setup Guide will show for you if your funds are managed through the portal. You will know if your funds are managed through the portal through your rebate claiming method, which we will explore later on. Your featured content will show prominently on the home page, as will your current rebate promotions. In the upper left-hand corner, there is a hamburger menu that once you click will display your site navigation. In the upper right-hand corner, if you click on your initials, the following will be revealed. If you manage rebates for more than one account, you will see arrows pointing up and down to show you that you can change the account that you are looking at. If you are a rebate partner administrator, next to your company name, you will see a hyperlink for company payments. The rebate promotions are managed on a quarterly basis. Therefore, in order to access your rebate promotions, you can click on any one of these boxes. The boxes will identify the rebate quarter associated with start and end dates, the type of rebate, and the currency. If you'd like to see all of your rebates, including your past promotions, since we have launched this portal, you can click on the hamburger menu, and under rebates, click on rebate promotions. Your current promotions are listed at the top, and if you'd like to see past promotions, you can either scroll down or click current promotions to collapse the current promotions and see the past promotions. You may also use the search bar for a quick and easy way to find the promotion you are looking for. Now we are going to demonstrate how to navigate a current quarter promotion. Click into the promotion that you would like to see. The first time you access the promotion, you will be prompted to review the terms and conditions and accept them. After you've accepted them, you will be routed to this page. On the left-hand side, you'll see the effectivity dates of the current promotional period and how many days are left. In the right-hand side, you will see the description. A preview of the description is shown, and if you'd like to see the full description, including your rebate claiming method, click Read More. Here you will see the offer period for the full fiscal year, qualifying customer information, eligible product information, quarterly billing. This relates to our current quarter and what dates are associated with this current quarter. Your fiscal year may not align with Sophos's fiscal year, so we always spell out what dates are included in the quarter that we are referencing. The payment frequency and your rebate rate. Very importantly, your rebate claiming method is listed here and will be based on the type of partner that you are. So it is very important to be familiar with this and make sure you review it. If you scroll down, you will see the attainment associated with your rebate under bookings this quarter, your rebate target under threshold, and your current rebate earned. We update the attainment numbers on a weekly basis. So it's good practice to come in and check where your company is with regards to their target. There's also a visual representation showing how close you are to your target. And the tiers here represent how the current rebate amount is earned. In this example, if I earn less than 100% of the target, I get no rebate. Therefore, my current rebate shows $0. If I meet or exceed the threshold amount, which is your rebate target, then the current rebate earned will be calculated by taking 1% times the bookings this quarter. Please note that these numbers are not finalized until you have received an email from rebates@sophos.com identifying that your attainment amounts are final and to refer to your claiming instructions. If you do want to go back and reference your terms and conditions, continue scrolling down until you see terms and conditions and click on that button. That will reveal your terms and conditions. At this point, if you are an India Rupee reseller or a distributor, this concludes your demonstration. For non-India Rupee resellers, we will continue the demonstration. Once you've received an email that your rebate numbers are finalized, keep an eye out for an email from rebates@sophos.com that follows up, because as soon as we announce finalization, we immediately start working on funding your wallet. Once the funds are on their way, rebates@sophos.com will send an email advising that the rebate funds are on their way. And once those funds have been deposited, Extreme will email the Extreme account administrator advising that the funds have been deposited. At this point, if you are the rebate administrator, make sure to click on your initials in the upper right-hand corner and then click on the link that you will see that says company payments. Remember, I cannot see company payments as I am not a rebate administrator. If you go either under the hamburger screen to news and featured content or back to your home page, you will be able to find the instructions again for how to set up your wallet and manage your funds. In addition, the next video will continue to give a demonstration on how rebate administrators can manage their funds and set up their wallet. Please continue on to the next video.